Now, France abolishes monarchy and become a republic. What happened? France abolishes monarchy and became a republic. How? Let us see. Louis XVI had signed the constitution, but he entered into the secret negotiation with the king of Persia. What happened? The Louis XVI, what he did, he signed the constitution, he accepted the constitution, but he entered into the secret negotiation, secret talking with the neighboring country, that is called Persia. Now, the rulers of other neighboring countries too were worried by the development in France. The neighboring country of France, they were also worried of developing of different events are in France. They made plans to send troops to stop the revolutionary events taking place. What they did, the neighboring country, they planned to send troops to stop the revolutionary events taking place in France. But before this could happen, the National Assembly voted in April 1792 to declare war against Persia and Austria. What happened? Before they execute their plan or they could send the troops to stop the revolutionary events taking place in France, the National Assembly, they voted in 1792 and they declared war against Austria and Persia. Now, thousands of volunteers joined the army for the provisions to join the army. Thousands of people, volunteers, they joined the army and they want to war for their country. Now, people saw this war as a war of the people against king and aristocracies all over Europe. What happened? People, they didn't see that it's simple a war, but they see that as a war against the king and the hypocritic people in the all over the Europe. Now, the patriotic song, your Marseillaise, composed by the poet Roger de Lesseps, was sung for the first time by volunteers from Marseillaise as they marched into Paris, which is now the national anthem of France. What happened? The patriotic song Marseillaise, composed by the poet your Roger de Lesseps, was sung for the first time by the volunteers from Marseillaise as they were marching into Paris, which is now the national anthem of France. The revolutionary wars brought losses and economic difficulties to the people. The revolutionary means the National Assembly and the people, those who are involved in the revolution, they brought losses and economic difficulties for the people of France. So, the Constitution of 1791 gave political rights only to the richer section of society. What happened? They drafted a constitution in 1971, but there were a demerit that the political rights were given to only the richer section of the society. The political power or rights were given to the richer section of the society only. Now, the political clubs were established by the people who wished to discuss government policies and plan their own forms of action. So, the political clubs were established, the people who wish to discuss government policies and plans and own forms of action. So, when people want to talk, obviously, if something is going in our locality, we will talk about that. If something happened, for example, if you see that Corona, now the whole world is suffering from Corona, so we are always talking about the Corona daily. If you see that new updates are coming to the news, like these many people got infected and these many people got cured, these many people died. So, current issue, we want to talk about the current issue, what is going in our society. The same thing happened in that time also. The political clubs were established by the people who wish to discuss government policies and plan their own form of actions. Now, the most successful of these clubs was that of the Jacobins. So, most successful club established at that time was Jacobins. Okay, the members of Jacobins belongs to mainly to the less prosperous section of the society, such as small shopkeeper, artisan, as well as servant and daily wages worker. The leaders was Maximilian Robespierre. Okay, so the main, if you see the successful club which was established at that time, that was called Jacobins, and the members of the Jacobins belongs to the lower classes people, okay, less prosperous people, those of the society, such as your small shopkeepers, artists, then your servants, daily wages workers, okay, and the leader name was Maximilian Robespierre. Okay, the main leader who was leading the people from the front, his name was Maximilian Robespierre. Now, in the summer of 1792, the Jacobins planned a revolt of a large number of the people of Paris who were angered by the short supplies and high prices of food. So, in summer of 1792, the Jacobins, the people, they planned a revolt of a large number of the people of Paris who were angered. They were getting angry because of the shortage of the food supply and the hiking of price for food. So they were get angry and they planned a revolt. When? In the summer of 1792. On August 10, they stormed the palace of the Tuileries. Tuileries is a palace of which was situated in Paris. Okay, they simply stormed the destroy the palace. Okay, Tuileries, and the masquerade the king guards and held the king himself as hostage for several hours. What they did? They simply destroyed the palace Tuileries, and they unnecessary misbehaving with the king guard, and there's messes with the king guards, and they kept king himself as their hostage for several hours. So later the assembly voted to imprison the royal family. Election were held. So later on, what happened? The assembly voted imprison the royal family. They voted and they decided that they will imprison the royal family, and election were held at that time. From now, all the men of 20 years and above, regardless of wealth, got the rights to vote. Now afterwards, after the election, what happened? People over 20 years old or above, they got, regardless of wealth, without having any criteria, they got the right to vote. The newly elected assembly was called the convention. The newly elected assembly was called the convention. Now you may be asked, what is convention? Convention means a normal or general assembly where people discuss the common concern about the people, and there in that assembly the representative of the people, they will represent and they will discuss there. Okay, that is called your convention. So on 21st September 1792, it abolished the monarchy and declared France as republic. On 21st September 1792, they abolished the monarchy and they declared France as a republic. Louis XVI was sentenced to death by a court on the charges of treason. Okay, Louis XVI was sentenced to death, okay, by a court. Then the Queen Mary Antoinette met with the same fate. She was also sentenced to death, okay, shortly after the king. Now, okay, so here we are going to conclude today's topic, and we are going to see the next topic, that is the reign of terror. The reign of terror we are going to discuss in next class. So till then, stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.